1 million views on TikTok might earn around $40, while 1 million views on YouTube can earn up to $4,000. That's a huge difference. Here's why. TikTok usually pays creators much less per view. Most creators rely on brand deals, affiliate marketing, or selling products to make real income. YouTube has a stronger ad revenue system. Longer videos and viewers from countries like the USA often mean much higher earnings. Your niche also matters. Finance, business, AI, and technology channels often earn significantly more than entertainment or meme content. But here's something many creators don't realize. Views alone don't determine your income. Watch time and audience quality matter just as much. If people watch your videos until the end, YouTube rewards that with more recommendations, helping your channel grow even faster. Another big factor is CPM, or cost per mil. Advertisers pay more to reach audiences interested in high-value topics. That's why creators making videos about money, investing, software, or AI often earn much more than viral entertainment channels. TikTok is still a fantastic platform for reaching millions of people quickly. Viral growth can happen much faster than on YouTube. Many smart creators use TikTok to build an audience first, then direct those viewers to YouTube where they can earn more over time. So don't chase viral views alone. Focus on creating valuable content that solves problems and keeps people coming back. Want to grow a profitable YouTube channel? Follow for more YouTube tips and start creating smarter, not just harder.